Aldawin kabsat! Galing tayon, dahil sa akin na po yun. Good day everyone, how are you? So this time guys, itong video to, this was our last visit sa province namin when we were preparing for swimming. So we were preparing or we were cooking rice. And it was then so amazing. Amazed na amazed ako dito sa way ng pagsaing nila ng rice. So gamit ang talyasi, gamit ang kawa. So they do not use rice cooker. Pangmaramihan to eh. So those are my relatives. So starting off with Uncle Roger. Yan yung nagsasaing guys. Siya yung uncle ko. Shout out uncle. And pamangkin ko yung naka-blue, si Ransdale, shout out. Kay Ransdale, June, cousin kong Josam. Then, iba pa. Those are all my relatives. And at the same time, guys, mabilisan lang ito. So, they put on the water. Then, magbo-boil sila. Then, let the water boil. And at the same time, kung nagbo-boil na, guys, they pour the rice. So, until na mapuno nila yung talyasi. Then, iinin siyang kusa. Then, they cover it with banana leaves. Then, luto na siya. It's so amazing talaga. And, mahina lang ang apoy. Take note guys, hindi nasunog yan. Yan ang preparation namin sa province. So, tulad nga ng sabi nila, titinolo nga po, bayanihan. Dayta ti probinsya, biyagye probinsya. Simple life. Dati prepare ti pato. Dati luluto ti kaldereta guys. Luluto ti bulalo. Dagi ikisar ti pakbet. Luluto ti kari-kari. So, madalian lang to guys. Then, like what I've told you, like, follow, subscribe. Shout out kay BJ, anak yan ng Uncle Roger. Relative ko rin yan guys. Shout out VJ. So, vlogger rin yan guys. So, Sir Jun, shout out. Then, yung pinsan ko na nasa likod, yung nakahubad, si Randy yun. So, shout out Kaz Randy. Those are all my relatives. So, till next time guys. Now, mapupuno na yung kawa. Then, at the same time, we're about to go. Bye! Yan, si Kaz Randy. Tingnan nyo yung rice. Diba? Bye!